2/3 of all private R&D is done by manufacturing, and that really works to the advantage of the U.S. manufacturer, where the innovation ecosystem is so strong and vital. You know, whether that's academic research institutions, whether that's our vibrant venture capital system, whether it's our patent protection system, or really it's just the entrepreneurial spirit of the American people. That really plays heavily into the success of manufacturing in the United States.
Research and development is actually a huge cost component in the automotive industry. And it's spent around the world. It's spent on engineers, it's spent on plant and development, and companies need to properly monitor those expenditures. In particular because in the automotive industry, unlike in the high-tech industry, the return on those investments is not as high. It's more a cost of doing business rather than developing the next great thing where you will earn tremendous double-digit returns on investment.
One of the things that we're anticipating seeing, and that we've seen to some extent, even in the last 6 months, is this drive for product innovation, and the complexities that it does provide and the strains that it puts in the supply chain are very, very real.
Any kind of new technology takes a certain amount of time to throw it into the pipeline, get it through that pipeline, and avoid what we call the black hole of innovation, which is where it gets sucked in and never comes back out. And if we can get that past that point and then get it, through a very, say, rigorous supply chain evaluation and development cycle, and then have it ready to be, put into a vehicle, that's a risky endeavor. And I think, again, a lot of people don't want to place bets on new technologies if they don't know where it's going, and if they don't have the supply base that's out there. So, you look at some of the automakers today will make investments in these technologies so that they can meet future regulations.
Now more than ever, the global supply chains are strained with the recognition that they have to react to all these new product introductions, new supply base, new technology and innovation. And essentially what this means from a supply chain standpoint is we need to think about new and better ways to generate cost takeout. The balancing act that we're always facing between product differentiation and standardization is heightening. And that's a difficult balance and a difficult trade-off to make.
Well, it's a really exciting time for manufacturing, and particularly in automotive manufacturing. With the cost of producing cars, in particular in the United States, being so competitive with our productivity, the innovation going on, being local to customers here, I think the investment in manufacturing and high tech is the sky's the limit, and you'll see in the next 5, 10, 15 years more and more investment in manufacturing here in the United States. It's a great time to be in manufacturing.